It really is about making the world a better place. How does a spice company do that? Well, we're doing it, and we plan to continue to do it.
And it was in the 60s when an economist at the University of Chicago talked about the real purpose of a corporation was to maximize value for shareholders. So the notion that corporations could actually do more than just maximize shareholder value became established with the idea of a B Corp.
What makes a B Corp so fitting is you're balancing purpose and profit, and that is what Kalsec has done since its founding 62 years ago. So Grandpa founded the company really not based on economic venture, but as a way to explore his passions around chemistry and innovation. And the economic rewards came far after that. So when we learned more about B Corp, it really made sense to us. Like, well, we've been doing this all along. And so that's how we got here.
So during the 60 years, we have great evidence and great examples of the things we've done that are in alignment with B Corp, and they find that they like a company that takes care of people.
Treating our employees with respect, operating responsibly within our communities, having sustainable business practices like clean sourcing and transparency in our supply chain has just been something we've done since the beginning.
We also think as part of a B Corp, we work on reducing emissions and waste and using solar energy and taking the most efficient way to produce crops, less water use, more production per acre for the crops we have. All of those things really say that this company cares about the planet and the causes we give to. So where we put our money, where we put our charitable dollars, the things we do to encourage in the community education. We work on the profitability that is generated over many years. It's part of the sustainability of the company, so customers know that we'll be there. We're also graded on our ethics and how we treat those customers, the things we do to make sure their products get there. It's another added evaluation of our performance in areas that really matter to customers.
And I think what's interesting about that process as well was that it showed us where we're really strong, but then also where we have a lot of room for improvement and where we can really leverage what we already do and just take it to the next level. Why B Corp is important to our team members, our employees, or potential employees is because it really signals that you're a valued member of this community. We want this to be fulfilling. We want this to be someplace that people come and feel valued and honored and respected. And whether you're working in manufacturing or in the lab or in our daycare center, it means you're a part of something bigger.
But we couldn't do that unless we'd had people that came before us, and we built this company on their shoulders. People who cared about the mission, the vision, and the values. People that were concerned about the environment. It's part of what our DNA is, and it's part of why we're natural in all of the things we do in protecting and preserving that. So each one of us can feel proud of what we've accomplished.
The family really is invested in the success of Kalsec, especially as it pertains to our B Corp certification. We want to be a global leader in sustainable business practices. We want to find different ways that we can contribute to shortening the supply chain, to making sure that people have access to clean, healthy, traceable ingredients in their food. And I think that B Corp will help pair us with other companies that are on that same mission. It really is about making the world a better place. It's really something to be proud of.